And I like even Megha's write-ups on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
I see even your write-ups. They are
Yes.
really good.
Hi, Pushpa.
Hi,
Hi,
Pushpa.
Pushpa.
The
How
winner
are
has
you?
joined.
Winner, congratulations.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone. Sorry I
Ah,
joined a bit
I
late.
forgot to congratulate Bindu also
No,
directly.
no, we all congratulated each other on online. Yeah, like on the messages, but it's
Hi,
absolutely
Simar.
Hi,
Hi
Simar.
everyone, very good evening.
Good
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 evening.
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 I was telling everyone it's so wonderful. We don't have any challenges today. We're just here to talk, isn't it, chat?
True, very true.
You thought
Relax.
Radhika,
it was
welcome to see you
over.
today.
You
Sorry?
guys thought it was over. You've just unlocked the secret level.
Oh wow. And Radhika, why can't we see your beautiful smile today?
Yeah,
Because,
There is
she's very.
just because. Do I need to have a
Okay.
reason?
What did I miss out on?
Nothing.
No, all
Nothing.
of us.
Just a
Hello,
hug.
guys.
hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Radhika.
Hi.
Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks to
Radhika.
you.
I
Thanks to
am
you.
so glad that I am being able to see all of you after, I don't know, I actually missed you guys.
Hi.
Thank you.
So did
Hello.
we.
Hi,
Hi.
Rati.
How are you all?
Oh,
Good. How are
Very
you?
good.
well. Very
Good,
well.
good.
So Rushing is beaming like a star. The halo around her.
Around her.
Hello.
Jesse someone is walking out of a sunset or a sunlight.
Rashi, how come you're so bright?
The light behind.
That is why
That
she said that halo effect is coming up because of that.
Okay, so all right, Wave 1.0. Welcome to the secret after party. No PowerPoints, no modules, no breakout rooms. This is a part of Atulit that doesn't go on the official calendar, right or wrong?
Yes.
yes.
You
No,
No, it will
no,
go.
no, no.
Why?
So
I
I
think
think
it
so.
will go.
It
I
should
don't
go
know.
with our smiling faces,
Yeah,
with
I know.
that excitement reflecting our excitement. It should be there. Why not?
Yeah, that is the reason. Without telling you, you're already on record mode. So, okay. Well, you think you finished with 1.0, is it? Let's see if you can survive the after party.
Okay. Okay.
So, a quick, what do you call, a reply in the chat box. If Wave 1.0 was a movie, what would its title be?
Where is the chat here?
Or just say,
Okay. If it was a movie, it would be.
all
If
is
it was.
well. Very good, Simmer. Very, what do you call, Wave Vanish.
All is well. Acha. Is All is Well a movie or a dialogue?
No.
It's a dialogue. I
Okay,
did
that's
not
not a
want to
movie.
point that out, so I was like, okay. Because
Okay.
if I had to point it out, I would have to actually say, Three Idiots Summer.
So that's why even I like it was whatever instantly came to my
So
mind. I said,
I
I'll
would
think of
say,
something else. Yeah.
yeah, I would say Sholay. And
Sholay. Why Sholay, Bindu? I'm like
yeah,
very intrigued.
yes. So Sholay because it would read something like this. Matrix 1.0 में कितने trainers थे?
Oh.
I was tempted so many times to, we put this in our training group, in our office group. इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है?
Oh.
True,
Yeah.
true. Pushpa,
Good
you
you didn't
came up
ask
with
Holy
Sadhya, huh?
color. I said Sheila, good you didn't ask Holi कब है?
नहीं
तो अभी हो रहा है.
नहीं Bindu being the ultimate motivator would end up saying maybe नाच बसंती नाच.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's
Here-
true.
And here Nach means please do your task, huh?
Yes.
Oh,
Do your task.
Code words.
Why Chak De Pushpa?
See, in Chak De also you saw how gradually they reached the goal. I guess all of us has improved step by step. So very much I resonate with this movie. Chak De.
Lovely.
Great.
से हम साथ साथ है.
Lovely.
Nice.
Yes.
great.
And Simarpreet finally came up with Satya Pe Satta. I'm very interested in knowing why.
Just because of we are 7 trainers, I didn't count you. You were the like Hema Malini of others.
What? That was funny. And what do you call? Yes, Divya, your movie?
I'm not coming up with anything actually.
even I am not coming in.
Same here. Even
Oh
I'm
my
thinking.
God,
but
you guys
can't come
don't
up.
watch movies or what?
Oh no, I
No,
got
what
lots
about you,
of
Rahila?
movies. I watched. I mostly watch only the Shah Rukh Khan and.
Oh,
I'm not able to connect.
Radhika. Chak De ki Shah Rukh Khan Radhika.
Please, huh? Wow. Okay, like I really love this. You know, one sees me as Hema Malini and the other one is seeing me as Shah Rukh. So I'm really into this now. Yes, and Megha is busy typing movie names. So, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Perfect. Yes, this I actually have to say. जो कुछ भी करना है, whatever we need to do, let's do it now. It's
Yes.
not, let's live the moment.
yes.
Okay, so we are going to unlock our first secret mission. You've got 1 or 2 minutes to describe your Wave 1.0 journey as a meme or a one-liner.
As a
Meme or one-liner. You can type it, you can draw it, you can share a screenshot, or just say it loud.
one-liner.
Yeah, it's a meme.
Hunt.
What did you say, Bindu? Couldn't catch you?
No, I didn't say anything. I think Sheila
Chahan.
said something.
I am very, very interested. You think I will not give you any tasks today?
Yeah, yes. That is what we were wondering. भाई आज तो हम सिर्फ गप लगाने वाले हैं. मुझे नहीं पता था. There is a task. Okay.
These are all fun tasks. It's not like, you have to
Yeah,
really
yeah.
think so much.
Yes.
It was like a trek for a treasure hunt. Oh, wow. Sheila, why did you feel that?
Because
Here you unlock. Let me put it that way.
vocabulary, which were like, for me personally, vocabulary and each person's presentation, the way they spoke, everything was a treasure because soft skills is something that is a treasure for me. It was an ambition to be a soft skills trainer. So when I got all this from all my co-trainers, it was like a treasure for me.
Now, Bindu has come up with sky is the limit with Atulit. Yes, I agree with it. Totally.
Yeah.
Okay, does anyone remember that dialogue of Akshay Kumar? 21 दिन में पैसा double. So for Atulit, I would say 3 महीने में confidence double.
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Fantastic. So Simar came up with training brought us together, but laughter and eye rolls made us friends. Eye rolls? We did it behind your back. How did you know?
We are mature enough to realize what happens. Like, what are the thoughts you have? The comments have to be very discreetly put forward, but then we realize that yes, this is not how it goes. And when I saw my videos, I myself was rolling. Like, and whenever I had to think and say, my eyes were going here and there, I like failed to look at the camera and do it professionally. So I was the one who was doing the most of the eye rolling.
Yes. Anyone else? Rahila?
I am thinking, processing.
Okay. We finished with Sheila, Bindu, Simar, and Pushpa. So we have Divya, Megha, and Rahila. You have to unlock the mission, huh? Then only will I go forward. Guys, help her out, no? Help them out.
Whatever you felt, just put it in one line. Something
Ice
witty.
breaking the fear of camera. Oh my god, she's so serious. Okay.
That is what I think of.
Imagining Rahila with a big ice pick and just hitting at the camera again and again. Learning happens in
Great. I'm
any
with
age.
you.
Yes, Megha, completely agree with you. And it's like it doesn't stop actually, never. As for me, it's like
Yes.
I'm forever
I agree with you.
new things.
Lifelong learners.
Yeah, absolutely. We have one person left. Who is that?
Divya.
Okay. Once you start manifesting, things start falling in place. By Divya.
Yes,
So,
Divya.
okay. Now I want all of you to just close your eyes. Not even close your eyes. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open, and I'm going to give you 20 seconds. You have to think of one powerful thing that you want to manifest. Your time starts now.
We need to write it down.
No, you're done. Now tell me.
I need to stop procrastinating, and whatever I think and I say, I need to do it. We think a lot, we say a lot, but we don't do it. So I need to do what I say and what I think. This is something like I believe it's powerful, because if I start doing what I say I'll do, I'll be going places.
So basically, because this is a funny segment, we are just going to end up saying that Simar doesn't want to be Miss Lazy Bones.
Right.
Okay. Who's up next?
So yeah, I just put it in the chat, but then yes, I will speak. I've written I want, and not even say I want. I am making a difference to the world and doing my bit as a trainer to as many people as I can reach and spread happiness and joy. That is what I manifest.
Okay. So, yes, I am going to say that I'm going to give her the title of Miss White Pigeon. She wants to, fly and spread the message of,
Yes.
learning. Let us say, not peace here, learning. Or we can
Correct.
actually call her the white dove also.
Yeah.
Yes.
How things come so
Thank you.
quickly, instantly to you. That's a gift in itself.
Yes, that is the same question of mine is also.
Okay, next. Who's up next?
Okay, I would say that I want to come out of my comfort zone because all these years I have been inside this nutshell inside the home. So now I want to break that and come out and achieve something for myself.
Okay, so we give the title of Miss Walnut to Rahila because the walnut is very very hard outside, but it is it's completely brainy inside. So yes, okay.
Thank you.
So Miss Walnut to what do you call Rahila? Who's up next? Yes, Divya.
Okay,
Oh, I saw Divya. Sorry.
fine.
Could I?
Let Divya speak.
Yeah. Okay. So for me, um, it's it's the whole process of coming to starting a new career, and I have tried to do this earlier also, but it was difficult for me. But this time, I felt so rejuvenated with the whole process, and I felt I could do it. That confidence in me, that if maybe slowly, but if I start moving towards that goal, I can achieve that. And what I learned through the whole process is that it gives me immense pleasure. I had joy. There was absolutely no stress, although it was a new completely new concept for me. Maybe I may be the only one who is like completely from a different background, having no certifications, having nothing. But still, I felt, I could feel that joy within me. So I think I would like to continue on this path.
Okay, fine. So what do we name Divya? I have a very good name, but if any one of you can come up with something. Hmm. Come on.
Sheila, come on, give me a good name.
I am going to call you. I'm going to give you the title Miss Messi. Messi. The
Oh,
soccer player.
with the
Okay.
golden feet. Yes.
Yes. Okay. With the golden feet. You just need to go on. That's it. And then you too will become a Messi. Okay. Right.
Nice.
Next. Pushpa.
Okay, I take a lot of stress even for small things, so I want to start reducing the stress. And same, I would like to spread around people who are around me. So I want to make them be, I want to make them feel less stressful and avoid stress.
I got one. Anybody there to help me out?
Punch bag.
Stress buster.
Punch bag.
What, Sheila?
Punch bag.
Punch bag.
Punch bag. Okay. What did you say, Bindu? Miss?
I said stress buster.
Miss Stress Buster. Okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty apt also actually. Just like the Ghostbusters, you should take stress busting as like that. But more, I feel like she is the Miss Enlightened Halo as far as I'm concerned. Because she wants to write.
Beautiful title we are getting today.
Rashi, could you put the could you put the spotlight on Pushpa?
Ah.
How
That
to do
really-
that? Then she has to come to my home.
Yes, Sheila, what about you?
I have so many things. I want to.
Only one manifestation, huh?
Okay. My desire is to travel to places to help uh, uh, learners. So that is my desire. So I don't know what to say. That is what
So-
it is. I want to travel places to help people, teach people whatever I know. So
Okay. Anyone with a good name for Sheila?
Mixing work with pleasure.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
pleasure and leisure.
pleasure and leisure.
Pleasure and leisure. Or maybe earn while you learn, maybe something like that.
Yes. Yeah. I
So,
want to travel places
okay.
to reach
So,
out to people.
I don't know whether you watched the Netflix series, uh, so my title for Sheila is Miss Lucifer.
Oh, I got it.
You got it right?
I love him.
So,
Okay. Let's check this.
in Lucifer, he has this dialogue. What does your heart desire? What do you desire? And the opposite person actually comes up with whatever they desire, and he makes a deal that I'll give you this, so you have to give me this in return. So, Sheila, you are Miss Lucifer, who goes on, saying, "What's your heart's desire?" and just go on with
Done.
whatever you need to give to them. Yes, Megha.
Yes, I wish to train as many people as I can. That is my dream and that is my wish.
Okay, right. So, Joe. I have to give her a name. I forgot. Again, come again. My mind went away somewhere.
I wish to train people as many as possible. That is my wish, desire, or whatever you can call it.
Okay, so you can be Miss Genie,
Okay,
Aladdin's genie, making everybody's wish come true.
okay, okay.
Great.
Yes. So here a small thing, whatever you thought you wanted to manifest, the first thing that you need to do is actually think that you have already done it and enjoying it. That is the first part in manifestation. So your dialogues itself should be, I am training lots of people. I am not procrastinating anymore and doing a wonderful job. I am having many certifications. That just try doing it. It's really wonderful because it really lights up the brain as far as I'm concerned. So yes, mission one accomplished. So okay, coming to the next part, mission two is quieter. You are going to think of one person in this group other than me, and you will add to the sentence that I am about to give you. You'll The sentence starts with, you probably don't realize this, but you don't probably realize this, but Con- and think of a person here and then finish the sentence.
Done.
I put it in the chat box just in case you guys missed out the sentence.
Done.
Okay. Yes, Simar.
So I have put it for Sheila, and my sentences, you probably don't realize this, but Sheila, your calmness and serenity is contagious.
Lovely.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
So, shall I go ahead?
Yes, Bindu.
So, I think it's a double dhamaka for Sheila. Again, Sheila. Okay. So, Sheila, ma'am, you probably don't realize this, but I adore your calm and composure while you facilitate. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm honored. Um,
Next. Divya.
I was thinking of Sheila only, so I'm just
Now
thinking
change
now.
Sheila.
Change Sheila, yeah. That's what.
Yeah, we can go back to our famous dialogue. इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है?
नाटा क्यों है?
Okay, I would go for Rahila. You probably don't realize this, but by joining the Matrix, you have already stepped out of your comfort zone.
Lovely.
Fantastic.
मैंने तुम्हें जा दूंगी.
I would like to tell something to Simar. You don't probably realize this, but Simar, you are amazing with your presentation. I love the way you speak and choice of words and phrases. You just have to believe that you are the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Great.
Okay. Who's up next?
Now, hi.
Yes, Megha.
This is for Bindu. You probably don't realize this, but your confidence and expressions, the way you present yourself, are really very motivating. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That's great. Thanks.
I would also say this to Bindu. You probably don't realize this, but you are a persistent bunch and a great motivator.
Thank you.
Then I would like to say to Bindu, Megha, Pushpa, and even Divya.
कोई बचा है क्या?
हाँ, बचे हैं। हाँ, बच गए। No, the amount of knowledge you people have, like Divya says, she's never been in this field, but then the choice of topics that she presented was incredible. They were like, I couldn't even think of those things. So you are already there, Divya. And Megha, you have so much of potential. You don't know. You just have to go with this. You can do it.
Thank
And
you.
Bindu, you are a pillar of knowledge, and the amount of experience you have and the way you put it across is like you have that eagerness to share all that you know. So the very fact that you are eager shows how willing you are to help people.
Thank you so much.
And Pushpa, you are like a Buddha. Okay, but then when you start presenting, there is, there is a flow of knowledge with so much of serenity. We can't stop listening to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Even I would like to put in that you all have very deceptive faces. Like when we are in a meet, I can never gauge that the moment you'll open your mouth. Everyone, I have attended a few uh, activities, and like I was जैसे मुंह खुला रह जाता है, jaw dropped कि my God, the level of finesse and the expertise that goes behind, and how well prepared they are. Because I will take the liberty of saying that I did not prepare well. So that was my fault. And when I attended your activities, it made me realize that yes, this is how it should have been. So I'm really like applauding. I would like to give a big applause for everyone. Amazing, Bindu, Sheila,
Yeah.
Megha,
So
Divya,
I
Pushpa.
would like to add something, Simar. Even I attended a few, but I would say I think we all learned together from each other, isn't it? there was no one to tell us what am I doing, isn't it? For that matter, none of us knew. But when we came on this platform, we looked at each other, we saw each other, and we
Right.
learned a lot from each other,
True.
isn't it?
Very true.
So that is what, and your sessions, I think I attended twice. They were wonderful.
Thank
Yes,
you.
And
it's
as
true.
Sheila ma'am
It
mentioned,
is correct.
the idioms and the proverbs that you use,
Yes, yes.
yeah, they
I would like to listen to more. Yeah.
yes,
And
Thank you.
Rahila, I would say to Rahila is that you have already taken the leap.
yes,
Just go ahead. And you are, as Pushpa said, you are already out of the nutshell. Just
very
go
true.
for it.
Sure, thank you. Okay, I would say for Pushpa, you probably don't realize this that you're very talented and you can spread knowledge and power wherever you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lovely.
Fantastic.
Actually, before we end, I want to say something to Megha. Megha, you probably don't know that piece of advice you gave to upload the PPT on Drive has made me, give my best on the last grand finale day. Thank you so much for that piece of advice.
Thank you. Thank you.
And this, dear trainers, that's the sound of connection that doesn't need noise. Whatever you did just now. You somehow became so connected via this wave. It's like, and I personally feel that it is not as if it's a culmination, it's a team effort. That's what I find very nice about this wave. You've been helping each other, and this will become more and more as we go further. So yes, okay, right. So mics on, filters off. Now coming to the real party. Is that what you're thinking?
Well, if you say, then yes, we are.
So I'm going to give you 3 prompts. Jump in when you feel like it. No order, no sequence. Just raise your hand so that we don't overlap each other's dialogues. Whatever you want to answer, whenever you want to answer, you just need to answer. That's it. Let's just this is just a conversation that we are having. Remember this. Ta-da! It's in your chat box.
So we need to put it in the chat, or we need to
No,
speak it.
Speak. Whichever sentence, whichever prompt you're ready with, you can immediately start speaking.
All 3 answers or 1 answer at a time?
One answer at a time. Whatever you feel like. There are no rules today, Simar. You can do whatever you want. You want to say all 3 at the same time or one after the other, it is up to you.
So one thing that I learned that no module taught me was that you should keep learning and you should keep growing, and never believe that you're too good. So always like empty your cup so that you can pour everyone's whatever they have, knowledge, wisdom, sagacity, everything. I would want to just, with my cup, I would want to go in front of everyone, please. So here I am again with an empty cup.
Fantastic. Yes, Megha.
What the one thing that I didn't learn from any module, but by being part of these activities, what I learned, and I had said that before also, that yes, we should, or I should be prepared, well prepared before presenting something. Proper practice, proper preparation, which gives that proper confidence also, that good confidence also, to present whatever I'm going to present. So I think for my part, the thing is that I should get have proper practice and preparation before I present something.
Yes. Who's next? Yes, Bindu.
Yeah. So one thing I learned that no module taught me is about the pacing, which is so very important. honestly, I never heard it from anyone before. And this has really made me realize that it is so important to take those pauses. It's not necessary or essential that you go on and on, but that pacing is so important so that the audience are able to make that connect with you, right? So I honestly feel I used to rush a lot, but now these gentle reminders which I got here, they actually have helped me to keep it in my mind that whenever I deliver, I need to check the pacing. Is it right or am I still running? So yes, this is one thing that I know module taught me.
Yes. Who's next? Yes, Pushpa.
Okay, not one thing. I would say two things that I learned and no module has taught me. One is how to present yourself confidently in front of camera. So facing the camera while speaking. And second thing is it is important to build connections before you start delivering. So these are the two things I would say. Nobody ever told us, nobody ever informed it. But yes, while being in the matrix, all of us, I believe, have learned it.
Yes. Fantastic. Who's next? Yes, Divya.
Well, one thing that I learned that no module taught me actually, um, I learned everything here, you can say, but still, if I have to say one or two things, the first thing that I learned is the way you present yourself, especially in online meetings, the way you know the way you keep your camera, the lighting effects, that matters. And myself could see the change from my first presentation to the last presentation. So I learned that here. And the second thing that I learned is the use of polls, games, music, humor, the icebreakers. That was really an something which I think I didn't knew how to incorporate it while training. So that is one thing I learned from Atulit Wave 1.
Fantastic. Anybody next? Yes, Sheila.
Yeah, first, one thing, no, there are many things that I learned from this module. One is to look into the camera, which I never looked into because I didn't know. Nobody told me this. So, the first thing is to look at the camera when I'm speaking. That's when the other person knows that I'm looking at them. I always thought looking at them on my screen would show that I'm looking into their eyes. And yes, like how Divya said, how to come up with icebreakers for each topic. And it allowed me to think for every activity that was given, allowed me to think. And I must tell that with all these activities, learning became so simple. So it was always attending webinars and making notes. It was so informal here, and I think I have accumulated lot of knowledge with all these activities, which I didn't get any of this learning in the other sessions that I have attended.
Okay.
So,
So, fantastic. Who's going to go next?
So now, second question.
Whatever you want.
So the second question, one thing I do differently if I ran wave 2 would be that I would make it that everyone should attend everyone's activities, and they should make a note of it, and they should give their summary of what happened, what you learned from it. Because now when we have reached the end of it, I regret missing out on so many people's sessions. I did miss out, and now I have a regret. I'll go back and check out the YouTube. But when you're live and attending them and you can interact, that is a different thing. So I would make it compulsory that everyone says it's part of a training. And that's what would do. That would make it, if it's mandatory, so and we know it's part of the training, so then like it's a different thing. Otherwise, we take it for granted. कि big deal हुआ तो हुआ नहीं तो चल देख लेंगे. So that's what
And
I.
in general, you know, we don't, many a times we don't get back to looking at that video. I'm being very frank.
True.
You know, again, procrastination or something else takes over, saying that why don't we scroll you Insta instead of this? You know, it happens. It's common. Yes. Who's next? Yes, Bindu.
Yeah. So what I would do differently in Wave 2.0 would be regarding the feedback. So whenever I saw or whenever I received the feedback or whenever we gave the feedback, they were all positives. Now, this was good, but it would have been better if it had this. I think that kind of feedback also should be added.
So basically, you mean constructive feedback.
Yes. Yeah, constructive feedback rather than it was. I feel it was all appreciation. Yeah, that's great. But then what could have been better? So as you rightly mentioned, constructive feedback is something which would help everyone.
Okay. Who's up next? Yep. No one? I thought Divya lifted her hand.
I think Bindu and Simar have summarized most of it. We just have to go with whatever has been done in wave one. And yeah, as they said that, feel comfortable to attend. Honestly, I initially was hesitant and I was always curious whether we will be allowed to attend other session. The moment they started putting this that whoever is free can attend, I would attend because I believe in this tagline that the company that I worked for, copy shamelessly, it says. So I don't copy, but at least I learn because I'm here to learn, and all of us are here to learn. So and everybody feels comfortable because when you don't have audience, you don't know where you're going right and where you're going wrong, even though we have Radhika who's mentoring us. But when we have our co-trainers, we tend to get a lot of inputs from them. And as Bindu said, probably personally, I didn't know how to give feedback where they need to work on because I really didn't know what they had to work on. But then, yeah, when we get that feedback in a very constructive way, as Radhika put it across, we can start working on that as well. That where we need to go right. So we need to learn that. So that is something that can be incorporated in Wave 2.
Perfect. Yes. Anyone else? With any
I
of the
have an answer for the third question.
Yeah.
So it says one person I want to collaborate with next. So what I want is I want a project with each one of the trainers. One with Bindu, another with Sheila, another with Megha, then Divya, Pushpa, and Rahila, so that I can gain from the best of all worlds. So I would like to take up a project with each and everyone. Yes,
Perfect.
I will.
Yes. Anybody up next? Yes, Megha.
I will also answer third question. Would like to collaborate with Radhika, so indirectly I will be able
Exactly.
to collaborate with everyone.
Yes.
Right.
Radhika is there always, like, I think we're ubiquitous, omnipresent, maybe everywhere.
Please, now I'm with.
But you have played that role actually. I mean,
Nonsense. Nobody is huge, nobody is less. It is just that I am just, like my motto says on LinkedIn, I've always been transforming ideas into action. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Anyone else?
No, this is the
Can
third
somebody?
question was actually my answer for the second one. That one thing I would do differently if ran into Wave 2.0 was that I would like to present one activity or maybe one facilitation with in collaboration with one of you. So that was no overlapping both the things. So I think that's it.
Fantastic. Okay. Anyone else? How come, Rahila? No speaking, no talking, or only shining. What? Right. Okay. Thank you for, you know, uh, I can actually say that all of you, thank you for being the spirit of Wave 1.0. Because, I told someone, I don't know whom I told this, but the first batch is always dear. No matter how many come later on, the first batch always holds a very, very close, it's always there in the heart. So,
True.
thank you for being the spirit of Wave 1.0. Small confession though, this wasn't just an after party. Um, you have actually been a part of an unlock test. Drum roll. Okay,
Just
since you've
instant.
completed all the 3 secret missions, and it's just that you've gone to the next level, your certificates and badges are already there in your mail.
I've
Wow.
already put it on my status, Insta status.
Wow. Amazing.
Participation certificates, Rahela, participation certificates have been sent. Master trainer certificates have been sent. Simmerpreet, Pushpa, and all. Badges have been sent to a few. So, congratulations!
Hello.
Graduated.
Lovely.
Was that my laugh just now echoing? That was scary. Now to laugh slowly. Yes. Okay. So, starting from the second week of November, this is what we have in store for you. We are going to collab with the master trainers for we are starting a new series with Atulit. We will collab. Everything will be a percentage paid collab, not huge amounts. Everything that you can afford very, very nicely. We are going to collab, and we will come up with interviews with, we'll come up with a meeting with each and every one of you, not an interview. We will show you the agreement. We will talk to you about, explain to you about what it is all about. The entire crux is basically, if you are okay with it, we are going to go into pro trainer pods. That is the next thing that is there in store with you, for you, sorry. So what are pro trainer pods? This is for the master trainers. And what is it? It is that we will ensure that 2 people collab, so that it is good on the purse also. And Atulit is starting a soft skill series. Okay, the marketing will be done by us, because that is where most of the trainers find it difficult, so, and this will be paid, meaning the participants have to pay to attend the webinar. So we are going to start off with webinar series. After that, along with that, we are going to have master classes that is related to your niche. We are going to have workshops, and then we are going to have boot camps. So it is slow. Again, we will not rush you into anything. It is very evenly paced, so that you get time to actually completely go into it. in detail, we will be explaining it to you in the meeting that we have. It will be a one-on-one meeting that we will be having with all of you. And so at the end of the day, it will be something like in a month, Atulit will be running 4 webinars, 2 workshops, 4 masterclasses, and 1 bootcamp.
Amazing.
And we will be covering all niches. We are not covering only soft skills. We are covering so many things. Like currently, my team is out there in the market finding out what actually people need. So we are going to create some unique webinars for the corporates. Okay, I'll give you a small example. Like one of the what you call webinars that we were actually looking into is how to take care of office politics, how to survive office politics. So we are looking at a different segment. Not when I'm saying soft skills, even this comes under soft skills. So we are looking at unique topics. We are actually going out there and asking the people who are actually feeling it and doing it and coming up with content. So, yes. So, welcome. Welcome to Pro Trainer Pods. We will start our one-on-one meetings from what do you call next week. You will be getting the calls. Archana, maybe this time it's going to be Aryan, not Archana. Archana is busy with some other thing. I have put her on some other thing. So, yes. So, all the best. And again, welcome to Atul.
Thank you so
Welcome
much.
back to Atulit, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
This is wonderful. So glad to hear this. And Radhika, honestly, the creativity, the innovation, the inspiration, the engagement, everything was superbly there in this wave 1.0. Everything was so beautifully streamlined that step by step, as you said, we are not going to rush. So I think this is something that is actually coming from within, that you're doing it at such a beautiful pace. Otherwise, generally, we do not see this way. It's like everybody's in a rush, and then after 6 months, it's like, woof, where are they? So I think your vision for this project that you've taken up is all your workings of the heart, not this. As I completely feel that I work from here more than here. So people say that you are mad. I said I'm happy being mad.
No, I
I
agree
don't
with you,
mind.
Bindu, because you are spot on. Because I am a person who, like you said, I have to feel it over here to actually make it work. And if I stop feeling it over here, that is the day
Yeah,
I stop working for that particular thing, or I
very
go to
true.
another thing. Because whatever you need to do, it needs to have passion inside. That passion
Exactly.
is very necessary for us to go to the next level.
Otherwise, we will not be able to give that 100% delivery that you want to give, isn't it? That has to come from within. That has to be heartfelt. Otherwise, it's not going to create any impact.
Absolutely. Because this is something like, see, so many, again, coming back to why I actually started this was, I find so many people who've taken certifications but don't know what to do next.
Yes.
So this is for all of us. It is like, wherein, you are getting noticed. Like, for example, when we were looking at Facebook, I mean, not Facebook, what was it? Instagram, I think so. They were telling me. When we were looking at Instagram, they just told me, ma'am, we were at 7,000, what do you call, views last month. And this month we are at 17,000 views.
Wow. Amazing.
So what they are saying is, it is usually this happens when people start what do you call, sending out ads, paid campaigns. We are doing it organically,
Amazing.
completely organically, wherein we are using all our resources. Basically, my network is huge, so that network is really really helping over here. And now people are noticing. There is one complaint I have from, I mean, I have that I need to, not a complaint I guess, but I have a question for all you guys. It is that I see only Bindu and I see only Megha posting on LinkedIn. Why is it that I don't see anyone else doing it? When you have finished a visibility, what do you call, 3-month long journey, start being visible. There is nobody who is going to push you every time. We need to give ourselves a nudge. We can come up with hundreds of reasons of not doing it, but we just need one reason to go ahead with it. So I want next time, from tomorrow, I want all of you. It is okay if you don't have lengthy things to write. Come up with 2-liners, come up with 3-liners, but start posting. Because consistency is the name of the game. The more you are visible, the more people will start, okay, the moment now, say for example, like the other day, it's like people have a part of some place knows what Atulit is now. It was very amazing when they actually spoke to me and saying that, yes, Radhika, we've been following your posts. Yes, Atulit is everywhere these days. So, yes, you just need to be consistent. And I am going to keep on, it is like, it is a request from my point that you are a matrix now. Keep nudging the other person. Why? Like just Bindu pointed out, why are you not posting? So you have to nudge each other over here. And when you are posting, tag us. How long will it take? Like our AI is so beautiful that 2 days at a stretch, if you start putting a hashtag or if you start mentioning, it will automatically get you the pings one after the other when you are actually putting it. So start, it is like grow your network. That is the only thing I'm telling you. Like if Bindu, if you are posting, tag Megha, Sheila, Divya, Pushpa, Simar, Rashi, me, Atulit. Just tag, because then instead of 5 people looking at it, 50,000 people will be looking at it the moment you tag.
Radhika, I would just like to add a bit to, here. Let me tell you that I must have started 6 months back, right? And I just used to put a quote, as Radhika said, just put a line, 2 lines or 3 lines, whatever. I just began with a quote, and then when I started posting, honestly, I'm telling you, just one person maybe, and there were days not even one. My all my posts went unnoticed. But what how could I sail through is consistency. Radhika just mentioned, be consistent. You will get your audience. And now we have each other. When you tag, at least 7, 8 of us are there to give a like over there, isn't it? And maybe comment also. Now I have my own network. Like I'm almost going to be 900 followers now. Maybe it's my target that by the end of November it should be 1,000. That is what it is. So it's not about I want followers. The idea is that people, they resonate with your posts, isn't it? So each one can do it. When you made it till here, you're all master trainers. We can all do it, isn't it? So what I feel is start small, but start. Don't wait.
Simple, start putting quotes or whatever you feel like under the, I mean, whatever, you are so, I mean, you yourselves are so much I mean, you have so much talent inside you. So start doing that. And like Bindu said, the first thing you need to do, you don't even like the other post, you tag your own post. tag your own post with all of us and just see where your reach goes. I'm not joking. So this is something which you have to do at any cost. It shouldn't be. My thing is, if we have learned something, it is very easy to let go of it and go back to our old practices. But we should. I make it a point, like, I seriously, I'm very bad at what do you call. I post my stuff, and I'm being very frank. I post my stuff. I sincerely feel that I want to go back and look at other posts, but I never get the time. These days, it has become too horrible. And then one Sunday or Saturday, I sit down with all the posts that I have sent, and then I look at all the people who have commented, and one after the other, one after the other, I start messaging them, replying to them. So don't be like me. That is what I'm trying to tell you.
Also, I think commenting on the posts also is something which we should do. Like, what is our perspective of if somebody's really put something good, isn't it? When you go through the post, just comment. It also
And you
there
don't
are
have to
times.
comment so much also. An absolutely
Yeah.
true
No.
LinkedIn itself gives.
Some perspective to it should be there. Not yes, very nice, fantastic, superb. No, not this. But it's like something really concrete. That is what is going to make a difference. I'll just give you a very small example. I was on a holiday. I went to this Jim Corbett in one of the Mahindra resorts, and there I clicked this picture of a sunset. You can just check that post on
Yes,
LinkedIn,
yes, yes,
and
I have seen that.
and you won't believe I tagged Mahindra Resorts. What happened after that? Do you know how many views I have on that post? 4,000 plus views. So this is what you must do. I pick up the big basket bag, these the paper bags that come with a lot of printed stuff, which is for children. So I just created a post out of that. That why don't we use these for our classes for children? It's not always everything is not in the books. Look at this. You give one cutting to child and tell, see, this is the on the big. They will enjoy and they will learn also, isn't it? So what's their vision about it? What do they think? Even that post also. So I think everybody can do it. I mean, it's not rocket science. Just think, what should I put, and please be ready a day before. Don't think in the morning what should I have, what I have I to put. I sleep only when I'm ready with my next day LinkedIn post. I'm ready, waiting eagerly for the next morning so that I now need to share this.
So that is, see, part one, step by step. We always believe in step by step, right?
Yeah.
The first step is start posting quotes and write a one-liner. Second step, you just say that in a day I will like one post. Enough. When you are posting, but don't forget to tag all of us. That is the only thing I ask from you. That is like compulsory whenever you are putting a post. Okay? And then what do you call, the next week you make it 2 likes and 1 comment wherein you start off with fantastic, superb, absolutely, indeed, whatever, one word. Okay, the next week go with 3 likes and then one absurd comment saying ha, very nice, whatever, and one perspective, like Bindu said. What you feel, you must be, when you go through, you will like one particular post. So just a small perspective, what do you feel about it? Remember to do this. It hardly takes 5 minutes, whatever I'm telling you. 5 minutes be, I don't think so. Mine just happens in 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. So start doing it. Start increasing your network, because that is how you will be visible, and that is how we can get more audience even for our webinars and everything that we are doing. Just remember this.
Very frankly saying, Radhika, I, yeah, do have an account on LinkedIn, but it's just by accident I created it. I don't use LinkedIn now. Like today's session, I am motivated that I have to go and check the posts. Otherwise, LinkedIn, my Insta was something that, yes, थोड़ा सा doom scrolling maybe. Once in a while Facebook and WhatsApp. That's it. I don't like LinkedIn. कभी खोला ही नहीं.
LinkedIn is the main platform for us actually. That is why I did not talk about Insta, I did not talk about anything else. You want professional people to connect with you, you want companies to know about you, then LinkedIn is the thing.
Actually, I created LinkedIn account, but I think it got restricted because I don't know. It got restricted. I created twice and it got restricted, and I don't know what to do.
Send a
That's why-
mail to them, find out their email ID. There are a lot many things that can be done if we really want to do it.
Yeah,
If
it can be
possible,
retrieved actually.
please write a mail to them.
Ping these people one to one, no, Rahila, they'll help you out. Or you can, what you call, put it in the matrix also. वो तो अभी ऐसे ही पड़ा है ना. Put it in the matrix if you need any help, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is what the matrix is for. Someone or the other will suggest what to do. You have that encyclopedia, technical encyclopedia who didn't join us today, Abhijit.
Oh yeah.
Where's
I
Abhijit
love
all
the
the way?
way
I did attend Abhijit's session once or twice.
I
He
read his
was,
messages twice, thrice
To understand.
And honestly, I have still not understood the message that I had posted and what the answer that he gave for that. It was like,
Yes.
oh my God,
Yes, same
I
here.
really don't know what it is. Still going in circles, trying to figure out what was it all about.
My one question to you, Radhika.
Bindu would have felt later on, oh, did I actually feel like this?
What was the question? What was the
I'm
question I had
still
asked?
moving in circles. What was that comment about? And I really didn't get it, honestly.
So
I had to focus on each and every word he used to say so that I understand what is
Exactly.
Sometimes even then I
each
don't
and every word.
understand.
I should not miss even a single word, otherwise I will go out of the track. Very
Even I got complexes कि मेरा इतना attention span short है. क्या हो रहा है? Like even I was like wake up, Simarpreet.
So, Rahila, coming back to you, wherever you are stuck, not only Rahila, every one of you, if you are stuck somewhere or if you have a presentation coming up and you need a unique idea, you just put it across, no? And let people suggest, give their perspective and go ahead with it. That is what we are creating this for, so that we are not stuck anywhere. And my thing is, do your own micro webinars. Why are you waiting for Atulit? Why
And
are
how do we do that? How do we do those micro webinars? Where and how, with whom?
with your
That
matrix?
was a shock
With your matrix.
with me.
How do you practice? Like, you people have not done a webinar before. So loop in one who has done one. It's like here you have Bindu over here who's done webinars. You have Mega over here. Sheila, have you? Yes. Sheila has done webinars. So loop them for a 10-minute thing. Saying that, let's just have a micro webinar. The opposite person will be the host. You tell your piece. They'll give you the feedback. It is done.
But the webinar that I have done, Radhika, it's from the company that I was doing full time.
It doesn't matter.
They
No,
would
a webinar is a webinar. At the end of the
I've
day.
done several.
So yeah, you just call them in-house webinars.
Right.
Yeah, somebody was saying something.
Yeah, I was saying, I was about to ask you about LinkedIn. Is it necessary that when we are posting something in LinkedIn, it should be related to our profile only or whatever we are good in, means our skills only? Anything
Nothing.
If you actually see my post, whatever comes to my mind, I put it.
Yes, I follow those only. I see that only.
Anything for that matter.
To attract particularly that kind of crowd towards you, is it necessary to post something
No.
similar?
For me per se, my LinkedIn, the way I use it is to just pen down my thoughts.
Same
That's all.
here.
I
Absolutely.
like some quote, like whenever I'm scrolling or something, if I like some quote or something, I just put it in my gallery. And then I just open that and I'm like, whichever I feel that day, I put that. Except for, yes, leadership. One, what do you call, in a week, I would suggest that one thing should be related to your skill.
True. Yeah.
One
Okay.
post.
Okay.
And if you actually see Saturday, I just put a nonsensical post. I don't know if any
Yes,
one of you
I
have
love those posts. I love
Yeah,
them.
really, even I like
posts
those.
like that.
Left my husband behind and left my children behind.
Really.
Uh, I must confess, Radhika. I started reading your articles, and I shared it with my husband, and he religiously reads it every day. And he'll say, "Did you read today's article? Did you read today's article?" He will
That's
not
like
miss.
So you've added
So
one to the matrix.
No, basically, you see, there are so many people. I get different comments wherein, sometimes people just say, this is what I had to look at. Thank you so much for posting this. You don't know which person is in which mode or what they are struggling with, and how they will connect to it. So I do get a lot of DMs when it comes to that, and I feel very humble whenever I receive such a thing, and I am filled with gratitude that even for 2 or 3 seconds, if I've made a difference in that person's life, यार ये जिंदगी तो
बिल्कुल सच में.
seriously.
Today, my post was about my daughter. Like after Diwali
Yes.
break, she was here for a month, and my post today was about that.
Yes.
Like as a parent, like how do you feel? And then see how many parents would have connected with that. I wrote it. We may all be at the different airports, but we just see off our children with just one prayer that wherever they are, they should be happy, they should be blessed, isn't it? So anything, I think Radhika, you said this, no? I like whatever you feel in your heart, and I feel my post specifically would never be mechanical because I'm telling you, I don't work from here. मेरा यहाँ नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. It's खाली. It's all here. That is how it just flows. Honestly, I don't make any. I would say मुझे बहुत दिमाग नहीं लगाना होता है उसमें. It's like दिल ही लगाना होता है बस, और वो लग जाता है. That is what I would say. So anything, whatever your heart desires, isn't it?
Yes, you can all ping Lucifer here.
I think everyone is going to go and watch Lucifer at least. Who is this Lucifer?
yeah, I'm waiting.
I watch Lucifer for Lucifer.
Same here.
Simple.
Absolutely.
Netflix is it?
I have not watched the entire series, but yes, I've watched it in bits. I know who's Lucifer
Good.
because
You
my
know what
husband
I
is a
feel
fan.
Radhika, you must organize for the Matrix one offline, a day or a 2 day, some kind of a trip where we all get together. It would be so much of fun, honestly.
Actually.
I don't know who's where. Who's where? I really don't know. I'm in Delhi. Radhika
One is in
Pune.
Timbuktu, one is in
Chennai.
South. I don't know from where all they'll
what?
have to come.
So what?
Maybe we'll have to
We
have
would
an
all-
outing. Maybe we'll have to have an outing in Madhya Pradesh.
That's what I was about to say. Central Madhya
centrally
Pradesh.
located. We will all go there.
Definitely. That will happen shortly, where we will be having offline meets also. But
Yes.
don't let me stop you guys. Like, you can always think of a trip and plan it together, and then meet.
Don't go to Pune.
Huh?
And not
Yeah,
Gujarat.
I can
Don't
reach
go to
Pune in
Pune.
3 hours.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
See, Divya is right next to me. She's my neighbor.
Yeah, Bombay,
Yes.
So,
Mumbai.
And Sheila has a reason to come to Mumbai.
Acha, Megha, where are you? Nagpur?
Nagpur.
So where are you located in Mumbai?
Okay.
What about Rashi?
Chennai.
Oh,
Divya, where are you put up in Mumbai?
Thane.
Pushpa,
Okay,
how about you?
I am from Vasai. I'm married to in Delhi. So I was born and brought up in Mumbai.
Are you in Delhi right now, Pushpa?
No, I am in Bhiwadi. I've shifted
Okay.
to Bhiwadi.
But it's not that far from Faridabad. I don't think it would take
No,
more than
no,
2 to 3 hours. I think
2 hours,
the
man, I
yeah.
guess.
We can catch up.
So next time I come to Mumbai, I'll meet Divya.
Yes, sure.
Will I? So will I, Divya.
Anyone from Punjab, Amritsar?
Simmerpreet, my trip is due to Golden Temple. I will
Even mine.
100% come and meet you.
Most welcome in Punjabi. I'll say Ji Aaya Nu, everyone. Please do. Give me a chance to show my hospitality. You'll not be disappointed.
I
Everyone.
will definitely.
Sure.
Even I want to visit Golden Temple.
Okay.
Anytime.
Now, what do you call? I just need some screenshots wherein, all of us are smiling and waving.
All right.
I completely
after
forgot
that,
about
we
that.
can
I
leave.
just realized that I have been pinged 4 times for the same. Ma'am, you'll forget. Ma'am, you'll forget.
So let's do it with both hands. It really looks very nice.
So you tell me how to do it, and who's going
Okay,
to tell
one, we can have this. We can have this victory,
Huh?
right? And we can have this
Okay.
way to go. We can do this, and then we can do this. Like this can be done. It's like no. It's like waving at each other. It could be towards the a kind of a finale, after party finale. ये last में हम करते हैं. So we have this, and then we can the wave one 3. This can
Instead
be
of this is looking very odd. I don't know whether you're seeing the
Okay.
cameras. This is looking
can
very odd.
change.
Can't we do something else with the hands?
what else?
I don't know. You tell me. I'm just saying.
Okay, so we can do. Let's say we are doing an icebreaker, so we can just roll our hands like this in the leg.
Okay.
This can be done.
Fine.
Or maybe that dance
Fine.
that Mega had made us do that time.
Or we could do just this also. This is also looking
Yeah.
okay. Not like this, Pushpa.
Maybe with one hand only, no?
Huh?
Or one can be clap. Yeah.
One, yeah. This is nice. This is nice
This
actually.
looks
Yeah, this is nice.
So we
Okay.
have 3 now. We have victory. We have these 2, or maybe 1 only. 1 or 2.
Let's decide quickly.
This
I
is
have an
good.
online class going on.
Okay, 2. And the third one was clap.
Clap. Okay.
Chal.
Right. Okay. 1, 2, go. Hey, wait. You have to show this so I have to tell you.
It was only
Pushpa.
for the first one.
Now only for the first one. Quickly. This one. Hey, wait. Something is going wrong on my screen. Yes. Sorry.
Again?
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Done.
Okay.
Then. Okay. Next. Okay. This one, no? Okay. What? No, it hasn't come out properly. Again. I have so many people looking at me, knowing that I will bungle up.
No, not at all.
No, they are like, I'm really bad at such things, It's like I am like, how do I do it? I always forget. Now, for example, if we have to print the screen, we have to press the Windows button and we have
Windows and print screen. Windows and print screen.
right?
Only print screen will
Yes.
also work. Only print
How does
screen
it
will
work?
Windows and print screen together.
No, actually, the thing. Okay, got it. Oh, this has come out beautifully. Simmerpreet, I'm so sorry. Can we do it again?
I need to go. I have a class going on.
See,
But
last time we won't be meeting again and again.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, first is this.
Okay.
Oh,
Done. Second one now. Third one. Such a silent thing. Like it.
All right, girls. It
Thank
was
you so
I had a
much.
lovely time, and
Yeah.
the culmination was the cherry on the cake. So I wanted to end with an idiom.